is beautiful country.
You-
I am not explain. Okay, I English speak a little bit.
How can I help you to learn English properly?
I don't know. I don't understand your language. Okay, उर्दू बोलिए. हमको इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं आता है.
Hi,
Hello.
what's up? Where are you from?
From Nepal.
Are you
From
from
Nepal.
Nepal? Okay, just I am from.
Nepali. I am Nepali.
I am Bangladeshi. This is our beautiful country, Bangladesh. Really?
Oh no, Nepal is beautiful. Nepal is beautiful country.
How Nepal is beautiful? Please explain about this matter in detail. Your natural beauty.
Oh, thank you.
How is internet?
I cannot explain this.
How is your?
Today I am not explain. Okay,
But why?
just gaming.
But why?
I don't know. Little
Okay.
bit. I English speak a little bit.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, you know English a little bit. You know English little bit.
Yes.
But why? You
So
should know.
that yes.
You should know English very well, and you should speak very well English. Okay. But do you know how to be fluent in English in present situation?
I don't know. I'm not education.
Have you completed school, college, or university, higher education?
Not outer half.
High school level completed. Only high school.
Outer half.
Oh,
High school, yes.
high school student. Basically, I am private teacher. But how can I help you?
Yes.
Please listen.
Yes.
How can I help you to learn English properly or appropriately right now?
I don't know. I don't understand your language, okay?
What? You don't understand my language, my speaking? But why?
Yes.
I am talking to you easily. Very easily, I am talking to you. Really?
Okay. Talking to you?
Yeah.
Okay. For
But
उर्दू बोलिए. हमको इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं आता है.
oh, please, wait. I know a little bit Urdu language. आपका पसंदीदा खाना क्या है? What kinds of food do you like most to eat? खाना.
Momo. ढेड़ो.
But I like
And
to.
you are?
I like to eat biryani, chicken biryani. Most of the time, I like to eat chicken biryani. Do you like to eat chicken biryani?
Oh, chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani?
Biryani, yeah.
Okay.
A kinds of
Good.
delicious food.
Good food.
Good food.
I like. मलाई मन पर्छ त पनि.
Oh, आपका पसंदीदा खेल क्या है? When you get a free time.
इसको इंग्लिश बोलना सिखा दे. मैं नेपाली बोलना सिखा दूंगी.
आपका पसंदीदा खेल क्या है?
क्या करते हैं आप?
खेल